Another day, another story. Mastering the art of passive income with Bitget. Step-by-step strategies for effortless wealth accumulation. Disclaimer: this article is not financial advice. It is intended for informational purposes only. Please consult with a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Affiliate disclosure. Please note that if any links are clicked in the description and purchases are made, that it is assumed that the owner of this channel may earn commissions. Introducing Bitget. What is it and how does it work? In today's fast-paced world, the idea of earning passive income effortlessly has become increasingly appealing. Enter Bitget, a revolutionary platform that allows you to master the art of passive income and accumulate wealth effortlessly. But what exactly is Bitget and how does it work? Bitget is a leading cryptocurrency derivatives trading platform that provides users with a seamless and secure way to trade digital assets. It offers a wide range of features and tools that enable users to generate passive income effortlessly. The platform operates on the principle of margin trading, which allows users to borrow funds to amplify their trading positions. This means that even with a small initial investment, users have the potential to earn substantial returns. One of the key features of Bitget is its ability to provide users with leverage. Leverage allows traders to open larger positions than their initial investment, thereby increasing the potential for profits. However, it is important to note that leverage also amplifies the risk of losses. Bitget provides users with a range of leverage options, allowing them to choose the level of risk they are comfortable with. This flexibility is crucial in managing risk and maximizing returns when it comes to passive income. Step-by-step strategies for passive income with Bitget. Now that we understand what Bitget is and how it works, let's delve into the step-by-step strategies for generating passive income effortlessly. These strategies will help you make the most out of your investments and ensure a steady stream of income. Research and educate yourself. Before diving into the world of passive income with Bitget, it is crucial to research and educate yourself about the platform, cryptocurrency, and trading strategies. Familiarize yourself with the different cryptocurrencies available for trading on Bitget and understand their market trends. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions and increase your chances of success. Set realistic goals. It is important to set realistic goals when it comes to passive income with Bitget. Determine how much income you would like to generate and the time frame in which you expect to achieve it. Setting realistic goals will help you stay focused and motivated throughout your passive income journey. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns. Bitget offers a wide range of investment options, including cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. By diversifying your portfolio across different cryptocurrencies, you can mitigate the risk associated with any single investment and increase your chances of earning passive income effortlessly. Choosing the right investment options on Bitget. When it comes to generating passive income on Bitget, choosing the right investment options is crucial. Here are some tips to help you make informed investment decisions. Research and analyze. Before investing in any cryptocurrency on Bitget, conduct thorough research and analysis. Consider factors such as market trends, historical performance, and the overall potential for growth. This will help you identify investment opportunities that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider the fundamentals. When evaluating investment options on Bitget, consider the fundamentals of the cryptocurrency. Look at factors such as the technology behind it, the team behind the project, and its real-world applications. By investing in cryptocurrencies with strong fundamentals, you increase the likelihood of earning passive income effortlessly. Stay informed. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and can change rapidly. It is crucial to stay informed about market news and developments that may impact your investments. Subscribe to reputable cryptocurrency news sources and follow influential figures in the industry to stay up to date with the latest trends. Managing risk and maximizing returns with Bitget. While passive income with Bitget offers the potential for effortless wealth accumulation, it is important to manage risk and maximize returns. Here are some strategies to help you achieve this. Set stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order is an essential risk management tool that allows you to limit your losses. By setting a stop-loss order, you automatically sell a cryptocurrency if its price falls below a predetermined level. This helps protect your investment from significant losses in the event of a market downturn. Take profits. Just as it is important to set stop-loss orders, it is equally important to take profits when the market is favorable. By setting profit targets and selling a portion of your investment when those targets are reached, you can lock in gains and minimize the impact of potential market downturns. Regularly review your portfolio. The cryptocurrency market is dynamic and investment opportunities can change rapidly. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure that your investments align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider rebalancing your portfolio if necessary to optimize your returns. Automating your passive income with Bitget. One of the greatest advantages of Bitget is its ability to automate your passive income. By utilizing various tools and features offered by the platform, you can create a system that generates income effortlessly. Here are some ways to automate your passive income with Bitget. Utilize trading bots. Bitget offers trading bots that can execute trades on your behalf based on predetermined parameters. By setting up trading bots with specific strategies, you can automate your trading and generate passive income without the need for constant monitoring. Leverage dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy where you regularly invest a fixed amount of money into a cryptocurrency at predetermined intervals. By automating this process on Bitget, you can take advantage of market fluctuations and accumulate more cryptocurrency over time. Stake or lend cryptocurrencies. Bitget also offers the ability to stake or lend cryptocurrencies, allowing you to earn passive income through interest or rewards. By automating the staking or lending process, you can generate income without active involvement. Case studies. Real-life examples of passive income success with Bitget. To truly understand the potential of passive income with Bitget, let's explore some real-life examples of individuals who have achieved success using the platform. These case studies will provide insights and inspiration for your own passive income journey. Case study 1. John, a seasoned cryptocurrency investor, decided to explore passive income opportunities on Bitget. He diversified his portfolio across multiple cryptocurrencies and utilized trading bots to automate his trading strategies. Over time, John's passive income grew significantly, allowing him to achieve financial independence. Case study 2. Sarah, a novice investor, started her passive income journey with Bitget by staking her cryptocurrencies. By automating the staking process, Sarah was able to generate a steady stream of income without active involvement. This passive income gave her the financial freedom to pursue her passions and live life on her terms. Tips for long-term wealth accumulation with passive income. While generating passive income effortlessly with Bitget is appealing, it is important to have a long-term perspective for wealth accumulation. Here are some tips to help you build long-term wealth through passive income. Reinvest your earnings. Instead of cashing out your passive income, consider reinvesting it into your portfolio. By reinvesting your earnings, you can compound your returns and accelerate wealth accumulation over time. Stay disciplined. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, and it is easy to get caught up in short-term fluctuations. Stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive investment decisions based on market noise. Stick to your long-term investment strategy and remain focused on your financial goals. Diversify beyond cryptocurrencies. While Bitget offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies for trading, consider diversifying your passive income beyond cryptocurrencies. Explore other investment opportunities such as stocks, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending platforms. By diversifying your passive income streams, you can further mitigate risk and increase your chances of long-term wealth accumulation. Conclusion. Taking control of your financial future with Bitget and passive income. In conclusion, mastering the art of passive income effortlessly is within reach with Bitget. By understanding the platform, choosing the right investment options, managing risk, and automating your passive income, you can take control of your financial future. Remember to set realistic goals, stay informed, and diversify your portfolio to maximize returns. With the right strategies and a long-term perspective, Bitget can be a powerful tool for effortless wealth accumulation. So take the first step towards financial freedom and start exploring the world of passive income with Bitget today. To learn more about Bitget and how you can start generating passive income effortlessly, please see the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel for more passive income tips and education.